Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Hello, guitar enthusiasts. In this video, I will explain how to play Tres Botellas on guitar. We'll start with the foundational chords. For the verses, you'll primarily use 4 chords: E minor 7, G major, D major, and a major. Focus on clean finger placement for each chord. Take your time to switch between them, ensuring every note rings out clearly. Consistent practice of these basic changes is key to building a solid foundation for the song. Now, let's dive into the rhythm. Tres Botellas typically uses a 2/4 strumming pattern, which is common in this style of music. You'll want to alternate between the primary bass note of each chord and a secondary bass note. Combine this with a down-down-up strumming motion for the main rhythm. Start slowly with a metronome to internalize the feel, gradually increasing your speed as your confidence grows. Consistency is more important than speed at first. Understanding the song's structure will greatly enhance your performance. Tres Botellas features slightly different chord progressions for its verses and choruses. While the verses use the E minor 7, G, D, and A, the chorus often introduces a B minor chord, adding a subtle but impactful change. Pay attention to dynamics. Playing softer in some parts and louder in others can convey much more emotion. Try varying your strumming intensity to emphasize the song's narrative. To truly master Tres Botellas, consistent practice is essential. Always use a metronome to keep your timing accurate and steady. Begin by practicing your chord changes at a very slow pace, ensuring each transition is smooth and clean before attempting to increase your speed. Listening to the original song repeatedly will help you internalize its unique feel and nuances. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes of focused practice each day for noticeable improvement.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.